I've been trying to move in without the U-Haul. In the back of the bin, smoking the new in the label for friends and shit like Lou.
I can't take myself serious, bro. What's up, you?
Nah, don't even say what's up to YouTube.
Yeah, nah, that's the intro right there. That's the intro right there. Feel me? Got Jet Life, HBK. Finna be mic'd up. But yeah, y'all wanted it. It's the I'll just call it making funny noises in people's ear video. I'll just call it that. Feel me?
You know what I'm saying? What's good, YouTube? You see us, we at Target right now. You know what I'm saying? We got HBK, nigga. We got DTB in the back right now. You know what I'm saying? We got Jet Life over, man. You see us at Target, though. You see us at Target. You know what I'm saying? Hey, say what's up to the YouTube, though. Say what's... Alright, you know what I'm saying? Gang and shit, gang.
First nigga we finna get. Hopefully this nigga don't got pole on him. What's up? What's up?
Good, how are you?
You good?
Yeah.
Alright. My bad, it's a condition. I got Tourette's.
Oh.
My bad.
Oh.
Yeah, my bad.
Wait. Oh, the one I'm getting is $2.99, and so this is, well, I'll get this one. So you can have it. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'd rather get it now.
This nigga bold.
Nobody's come yet. I'm waiting myself, sir. Please don't do that again, sir.
Niggas do not have handles. Niggas do not have. Nigga?
How do I put this shit in? How do I put this shit in?
Huh?
Nigga, what?
Put it. Look at this. This nigga so slow. What you say?
How do I put this shit in?
Bro.
Oh, it's lit.
You stupid.
He's not gonna do a girl. Bro, I don't want this nigga to do a girl. G-O-D.
Pussy.
This nigga gay.
What's up, bro? How your day doing? I'm doing alright. That's good. Have a good day, bro. I scared you?
How you doing, man?
What's up, bro? You having a good day?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm just chilling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just trying to make
Can you
it.
talk about anything?
I mean,
How's life?
yeah, bro. I don't know, bro. It's crazy with Corona.
There's all kinds
know.
of stuff.
Yeah, I know.
You know,
2020.
Corona's cool. I just stay away from people. Though.
Feel me? Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
How you doing in here, though?
oh, no, aren't?
Yeah.
Or like here or here?
Here.
Both?
Not here. I try to stay out of here.
Stay out of here.
This place for me,
Crazy?
scary, man.
Yeah. Go many
Yeah.
places.
I got my dad telling me weird shit
Ooh.
up in here. I got my mom telling me weird. I
Bro.
just gotta I gotta listen to here.
Right here, I don't know, bro. I feel like I'm always missing something, but
Get it?
you know,
I get it.
it's life.
Sometimes it's just like you gotta quiet everything out,
Uh-huh.
let everything else go.
Yeah.
All that other shit ain't real, and just listen here.
Yeah.
Be amazed what happens, man.
I'm gonna keep that in mind. Oh!
What the fuck?
What happened?
Why you gotta do that?
What are you talking about?
Man, get the fuck out of here.
What are you talking about, bro?
You know what I'm talking about.
I have no idea what you're talking about. You good?
Yeah, are you?
You sure?
No, I'm not.
It just seemed like you're tripping on me for no reason at all.
Okay.
I mean, like,
It's my fault.
it's because I'm black, bro.
Yeah, it is.
That's racist!
We got the two ladies coming out the bathroom. What?
Can I call you on camera, dude?
No, there's no.
Whoa, wait, can we see it? Can we see it?
There was no.
Because we got the camera too.
I need to see it. I mean, we're leaving either way, but I want to know what you're talking about.
Yeah, we
Like, I promise you
open
that
somebody
did not
back. We didn't open
happen.
somebody back. You can check.
I want that Lawrence talk.
You watched it?
Can we watch
I
it?
want to get in trouble. I want to get in trouble, so
That's great.
let's go watch the film.
No. You guys gotta go.
What the fuck? You just accused me of something.
Yeah, if it was something for something like when we were actually
Okay,
doing, but
can we
we
go
opened
see
the backpack. That's
myself
stealing.
go through a backpack?
That's stealing.
What do you mean? No, I can't. You're accusing me. Say I didn't do it. Then.
Just go. Come on.
Say I
man.
didn't do it.
Let's go.
Say I didn't go through nobody's backpack.
Dude, you can leave now. I can call PD. It's up to
That's
you.
what I'm saying. Call them so that I can see. You feel me? I can see where I went in somebody's backpack. So you can't. Bro.
I already this nigga in the wrong, bro.
I'm
It's
just
cool,
asking
bro.
a
Fuck that
question.
shit.
Like, where did I go
I don't want to get shot today.
So
That's
you
not
watched
me.
me go through someone's backpack.
No, I watched you go up and try to open up something.
No one tried to open
And I
anybody's
went down there
backpack.
I tried to open up someone's backpack.
And he said he was shooting a video. We can show you every footage of every person we talked to today.
Come on,
It
let's
does?
go. Let's go.
That makes
It
sense
does?
to you.
Yeah.
It really doesn't.
I'm gonna go to Target, a store full of things to steal, and steal something out of someone's backpack?
You gonna leave or what?
I mean, as long as you say you're racist, I'll leave. Just as long as you admit you're racist, I'll leave. I'm not tripping.
I'm not gonna admit that because that's not true.
Say
Let's go.
Say Black Lives Matter.
Dude, I'm not gonna come on.
You can't say Black Lives Matter? Okay, say it for me. You know he right,
I like
though.
this
You
dude.
know
I
he
like this dude. I don't know about him. I don't know about this guy right here.
Nah,
I don't know about this guy right
Let's
here.
get this settled. I ain't go through nothing.
I don't know about this guy right
It
here.
had nothing to do with nobody's backpack. We were going behind him and saying stuff. It had nothing to do with the backpack.
Huh?
Well, I think the baskets is in the front, man.
Nah, let them do their job. Accusing
I'll go
niggas.
get you a basket if
He can say Black Lives
Let's
Matter.
go.
He won't say Black Lives Matter.
All right, but don't walk up on him
right?
like that. Please don't.
I think that's pretty good.
you want to see it? You want to see
She
it?
thinks it's
He got about 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. Every video get over
There we
100K.
go.
That's not the issue.
That's all I needed to hear. That's-
It's not an
There is no
issue.
issue.
It's
There's
not
no issue in
a
the
black
first place. I don't go
thing.
through nobody's backpack.
No, no.
Niggas want me to close the scene.
Maybe you did, but on camera, it looked
No,
like
not
you did.
maybe. I
On
did it. I'm
camera,
telling you
it
I
looked
did
like you did.
Oh, that's crazy. The camera's racist.
DTV. Look at Dante.
I love this video, bro.
Look at my guy's jeans, though.
Did you go?
Look at my guy's pants. Okay, at least he got the runners on. I can respect that, but I don't know about this dude right here.
Nah, he bumped.
Look at him. Come on, bro.
That's my nigga Paul.
You see the boy's haircut?
Y'all wanted his
Look,
reaction, huh?
look at the. You see the. Look at it. Huh?
Supporter. You missed it.
Come on.
Missed him, man.
Oh. I'm look. We got the whole target on us.
Y'all racist have a good day. Hopefully that don't ever happen again.
And someone nigga Paul Bort. I said thank you.
You wouldn't want the media to crucify you, bro.
Let me zoom into his face real quick. Let me zoom into those. We just got kicked out, nigga. That ain't stopping nothing, nigga. That ain't stopping nothing, nigga. I'm gonna get right here. You feel me? They had to kick niggas out. They was on weirdness for show, bruh. Them niggas tried to say I was stealing, bruh. I had to make a scene with them niggas. G.O.D., bruh. Talking about some I'm stealing, nigga. I made that nigga say Black Lives Matter, bruh. I'm not even gonna lie, bruh. Them niggas was dry, bruh. Them niggas was not reacting, bruh. You would think a nigga moan up in your ear, bruh, you finna say something. Nope, not them niggas. But, yeah, bruh, to be honest, it's probably because I'm just a big ass black nigga. I'm finna say something to that. Woo! Who finna say something to a big black nigga? You know what I'm saying? We at the new target, man. They kicked us out the last target. So we at the new target.
It ain't nothing, nigga,
You know
to
what I'm
bounce back, nigga.
So we gonna come back just like that, man. Y'all see the new target. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? Let's
Ceremony,
get it.
nigga, just have to put you to
Ceremony.
ceremony. It's good though, bro. It's gonna be worth it. What are you talking about?
You need something?
No, what's up?
You said something.
You started talking to me.
No, I wasn't talking to you.
You sure?
thought you needed something.
Oh no, I don't need nothing as long as you don't need nothing. You good?
Yeah, good.
Alright, cool. I'm glad we got that situated. Behind the scenes, nigga.
You stupid.
Put it on.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh shit.
Like you cut, G.
Where you going, bro? That nigga just walked way too long for me, bro.
I got you in a hold.
Oh shit, bro. Scared the shit out of me.
Nigga cannot kickflip.
Hold on. Part 2.
You don't got no grip. Ugh. Oh.
Thank you for shopping with us today. Our first priority is the health of you, your families, and our team.
You got me. You got me. Oh, puppy.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up?
Big man. So you play basketball too?
Yeah.
Right, man.
Oh. Oh. What's up? You good?
What's it, sis?
Oh.
DTB Dante. DTB.
Say shout out to the gang.
What's up? Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
What's your YouTube name again?
DTV.
You can write down.
I only got one video up right now.
Yeah, I'll just screenshot it and watch
Okay.
it.
You want to see
Have a
yourself
good
get
day.
scared on YouTube?
I done seen so much shit that I ain't supposed to say. I've been winning so much, I've been stacking for the rain. Been around the block before, I done felt the worst pain. Standing clear cause I be high, I ain't gotta have aim. I ain't sitting in no trap, you just waiting to get ready. I had a dream I was rich until my mama